Okay, let's try number 2 here. Once again, I've got it set up. I want to point out something really important here, though. In the original problem, you did not have an x squared term written. So that's what I wanted to make sure I filled in here as a placeholder so that I know that I do have to account for that in the division process. So I start the whole process by putting the x to the 4th in that first box. Then I ask myself, what would I multiply x by to get x to the 4th? And I think we all know that's going to be x cubed. Then we multiply x cubed. Whoops, that was the wrong marker. Let me try that again. So that's x cubed. And then I'm going to multiply x cubed by -2, and that'll give me -2x cubed. And then the color coding allows me to see, hey, I need to add -4x cubed to this to get -6x cubed. So this will be -4x cubed. And then I start the whole process again. Take x times something to get -4x cubed, and I get -4x squared. -4x squared times -2 gives us a positive 8x squared. And then I have to ask myself, now this is why you have to have that 0 here, because we want to make sure we don't end up with an extra term. What would we add to 8x squared to get 0x squared? Well, it's going to have to be -8x squared. And then we start again and we ask ourselves, what do I multiply x by to get -8x squared? That's -8x. -8x times -2 gives me my next box, which is positive 16x. And then I ask myself, what would I add to 16x to get 18x? And that's going to be 2x. And then to finish up, I have one more thing. What times x gives me 2x? And that's going to be positive 2. And then we know that 2 times -2 gives me -4. And look at that. I don't have a remainder because there's nothing I need to add to -4 to get -4. And then it's really important that we write our answer. So my answer is just what we have along the top row, plus or minus any remainder. So my answer is going to be x cubed minus 4x squared minus 8x plus 2.